Welcome to the channel, it's a cruise life, and in today's video we review a balcony cabin.
Hi there, we stayed in a deluxe balcony cabin on deck 11. We hope you enjoy our tour of our room 11135.
Oh, that's a lovely surprise, thank you.
What else have we got?
Champagne, fruit basket and some chocolate strawberries. Oh, they're lovely, thank you.
On the back of your cabin door you'll find your safety guidelines and your muster station. Here's your air conditioning control and your do not disturb and make up room switches. Your room card needs to be inserted here for power, and here's your light switches. The rooms appear subtle but classy in design, and the artwork was quite interesting. And we don't cruise anywhere without our magnetic wall hooks. Get yourself over to Amazon or Temu, these are a great idea. The bed lamp, reading light, on-off switches and USB-C port are replicated on each side of the bed. The bedside cabinets are okay and practical for storage. Quick look. Not very picturesque at the moment because we're in port.
Here we have a king-size bed with a bedside cabinet on either side. You have two types of pillow, one firm, one soft. Can we just take a moment to marvel at the size of this mirror? A clever way to make the room look bigger. Pete and I both agreed that the mattress and the bed linen were luxurious.
You'll have to excuse the mess, and this is an interesting point. The ship was built in Europe, specifically France, for the American market. However, they've installed UK plug sockets and of course the standard USB ports. This is a nice sized desk space, and they've also utilised the wall space with shelving. This obviously kept our champagne flutes out of harm's way.
There is a stocked minibar. However, you will be charged additionally for this as it is not included in your drinks package.
Although we did store our own drinks in there. There is sufficient drawer space, and I like where they've situated the safe. This was very easy to operate with the standard 4-digit code. This stall felt quite premium and heavy duty, however we found little use for the table. This recycle bin was a great idea for your plastics, your food and your paper. However, we felt there should have been a fourth compartment for general waste. Moving swiftly onto the TV. Some people suggested it was installed in a strange position, but it was on a swivel bracket, so it didn't matter too much. The biggest issue for me was there were 13 channels of safety videos and a couple of news channels and not a lot else. The videos on demand were overpriced and lacking in choice, so we had the app on screen most of the time. So for us, MSC could do with improving the TV service. We found that the storage was also absolutely fine. There was plenty of shelving, but only 2 drawers here. There was also plenty of hanging space. The bathroom was compact, but very practical. It was also very shiny, clean and new. That flushing system though, that was also the loudest I've heard on any cruise ship. The shower pressure and temperature were great. It was spacious, although the dispensers seemed a bit cheap. And there was no hair conditioner. So there are probably 100 or more room reviews on MSC World America, but this specifically is room 11135.
Thanks for watching our cabin tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it really helps our channel.